Okay, today I'm gonna do a DIY with just plain school glue and water, and then a dryer sheet. And what we're gonna do is we're going to attach it with school glue and water. And get a brush to brush the water on, just like we did when we were making crinkle paper. Okay. Now I didn't get it all the way. Missed a spot. A little bit more water. And pat it down. Just making it part of the page. Now I'm going to go over it with a little bit of water on the top. Oh no, kitty hair, or doggy hair, found its way. I don't hardly ever see any hair, but today, of course. Or it could have been from that. I'm not sure. Okay, now I'm going to dry it. Close my glue. It's still wet. Okay. Still a tiny bit damp. I think it's because there was water on the board there. Yeah, because it got re-wet again. Yay. There it is, all dry. A little bit left. There's a little glue there. That's my junk journal experiment of the day. It seemed to have worked really good, and you can see the colors. The question is, can you write on it? Okay, so I need to find a pen and try it out. So I have this really good ink pen here. Precise VF Pilot pen. Let's see how that works on this. I think it's probably the best one. So I'm going to write prayers. Then I'm going to use a different kind of pen, just a regular ballpoint. Of course, I don't even know if it's working, period. Let's see. I don't want to write on that. Oh no. Okay. Okay, it works. So it works. It's kind of bumpy as you write. But there you go. So if you want to try that, it's a neat texture. I like it. Give it a go and see how it works for you, and give me a comment in this comment section. Let me know how it worked for you. Bye-bye.